Hi everyone, I'm Dawn Kramer. I'm 43 years old. I have two daughters, a stepdaughter, and an almost 2-year-old granddaughter. So my life is kept pretty busy by my children and my granddaughter. I live in the Pocono area, Pennsylvania. I went to Kutztown University and I was a psychology major. However, down the line, I decided to change my major and I graduated with a degree in speech communications. Therefore, I do not have any experience in the mental health field or the social work field, or obviously any past clients. So I'm really looking forward to understanding and being able to use the DSM-5 manual. I feel that this will be a great tool reference to use in my career and throughout my career because my goal is to be a counselor. Right now, possibly focusing on drug and alcohol addictions, which is very much needed in this area where I live. And I also want to help people that do have a mental illness or help families or communities to understand those with a mental illness. So I'm really looking forward to this class because I feel like we're finally going to get more information and ways to help people. And I feel like the other classes were more kind of like stepping stones with some information, but I feel like now we're starting to get deeper into the heart of social work and hopefully learning more and more how to do our jobs and get the training we need as a social worker. I always felt like this is my calling in life, to be a counselor and to help people, which I'm sure many other people feel this way, or else I don't think we'd be pursuing our master's degree. And I just look forward to getting to know everyone, and I hope that we all have a great class. And I thank you for watching my video, and I hope you all have a great day.